Okay, you can see here I have a 1940 or 1935 ceiling fan. This is of Crompton Greaves. You can just see the base. It's got like a cup, like a bowl shape, and it has a massive wingspan. You can see it out here. It's a pretty old fan and still running. Uh, I will just show you the speed of this fan. We're starting it off with minimum speed. It From the time this fan was purchased, it has never given up as a problem, nor there was any repairs done on this fan, and it still runs good. It's got a massive wingspan, so because of that, it covers up the whole room. This is around a 200 square feet room. You can look at this at the lower speed. Now I will show you the fan uh, when the speed is increased. This is the fullest. It's pretty silent. We never had any ball bearing issues in this, nor any repairs. It still runs good, and I feel it might run for another 100 years, the way it's running at the moment. This fan is by Crompton Greaves. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.